Welcome to Kahani Ghar, where stories speak. Today's story is about an honest woodcutter, whose honesty rewarded him well. Once upon a time, a poor woodcutter was cutting wood near a river. Suddenly, his axe slipped and fell into the deep water. He was very sad, because it was the only axe he had. Just then, a shining angel appeared and asked, "Why are you crying?" The woodcutter replied, "My axe fell into the river, and I need it to earn my living." The angel dived in and came back with a golden axe. "Is this yours?" she asked. The woodcutter said, "No, that's not mine." Then she brought a silver axe. Again, he said, "No, that's not mine either." Finally, she brought his old iron axe. The woodcutter smiled and said, "Yes, that one is mine." The angel was so impressed by his honesty that she gave him all 3 axes as a reward. Moral of the story: honesty is always rewarded. If you enjoyed the story, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon for more.